Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to register on Fiverr as a freelancer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now logged in to my account. So firstly, I'm going to log out to create a new account. So right now we're going to click on join. And then here you need to choose if you want to continue with Google, continue with email, continue with your Apple account, or with Facebook. So, for example, I'm going to continue with my email. So, I'm going to type my email right here and then type my password. So, we need at least one uppercase and then we're good. Continue. And then right here, you need to choose a username and then click on create my account. And right now, you need to confirm your email. So once you create your account, they're going to ask you what brings you to Fiverr. You need to choose if you want, if you created your Fiverr account for buying freelance services or for selling freelance services. Go ahead and select selling freelance services and then click on next. What type of freelancer are you? You need to choose a side hustle, solo freelancer, agency employee, agency owner. For example, we're gonna choose solo freelancer, click on next. You need to choose right here what's your freelancing experience. You can choose between I'm just getting started, freelancing online, freelancing offline, or both online and offline. For example, I'm gonna choose freelancing online and then click on finish and complete your seller profile. Go ahead and click on it and then click on become a seller. Once you're here, go ahead and click on continue, continue again, continue, and then fill this form with your informations and follow the steps until you become a seller on Fiverr. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.